Welcome back. Good evening, everyone. So in the last session, we discussed about discussed the question paper, sample question paper, discussed nearly 27 questions. Okay, now we are going to finish that discussion. So,
Sorry, sound is low.
yeah, let me increase the sound. Yeah, what about now? Hello, can you hear me? Hello, is
Yes,
it okay
sir.
now? Hello, okay, fine. So back to the question paper. You can see now. Next question it is. 1 minute. Question number 27, I think, right?
Yes, sir. 27.
Okay, 27. Let me take that one. Okay, question number 27. Please read the question, everyone. Hope the screen size is okay
Finished.
for you people. Okay, so 27 completed and going for 28. Okay, identify the major aspects that helped in the formation of a nation state in Britain. Nation state in Britain. Identify the major aspect that helped in the formation of a nation state in Britain. First of all, in 1688, the monarch of Britain fought war with English Parliament. Option B, the Parliament through a bloodless revolution seized the power from the monarchy. Option C, the British nation was formed as a result of a war with Ireland and Wales. The formation of the nation state in Britain was the result of many revolts. Okay, so tell me what is the answer? Identify the major aspect that helped the formation of a national state called Britain. Okay, that's the question. Question number 28, that's what we're discussing. So please read the options. Option A, in 1688, the monarch of Britain fought war with English Parliament. Is that correct? Is the statement correct? There is no such statement in our textbook, right? Okay, let it be. Okay, wrong. The Parliament through a bloodless revolution seized the power from the monarchy. That statement is there. Okay, option C. The British nation was formed as a result of a war with Ireland and Wales. There is no such statement in the textbook. Option D. The formation of the nation state in Britain was the result of many revolts. There is no such words related with a revolt in the textbook. So answer is option B, the parliament through a bloodless revolution. So the formation of the Britain is basically termed as the bloodless revolution. Okay, no other revolutions. It is termed as the bloodless revolution. Seized the power from the monarchy. So answer is option B. 28 answer is option B. And question number 29. 21 minutes. Okay. Question number 30. Which of the following categories of resource can we put tidal energy in? Tidal energy. Tidal energy. That is the point here. Tidal energy. Renewable, non-renewable, actual resource, potential resource. Tell me what is the answer? Tidal energy.
Renewable.
Okay. So Ashik Patel's answer is renewable. Any other answers are there? Tidal energy. Tidal energy. You know that tide. Okay. The water will move to the land from the ocean and backward. Okay. Clear or not? Clear. So we are using that movement of water to rotate the turbines to produce electricity. Okay. So what kind of energy is that? Number of cameras are off. Okay. So the answer is correct. It is renewable resources. Renewable resources. So remember, numerous cameras are off. Please stand on that. So all of you, please mark these answers. Okay. And it is important. It is compulsory. You should download a copy of this sample question paper. And don't think that the same questions will come for the examination. Okay. There is nothing of that. Okay. Don't think like that. There is no chance for it. Clear or not? Okay. There is no chance. So comes means basically maximum 1 or 2 questions might chances are there for that. Don't think that the entire question paper they will repeat or something like that. No chance for it. Okay, so please learn it properly. So next one, 31st question. Consider the following statement. Okay, consider the following statement on power sharing and select the answer codes given below. Select the answer codes given below. Okay, clear or not? Here it is. It is good for democracy. Okay, it is good for democracy. What about this option? Is there correct or not? It is good for democracy. Is that option is positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive. So keep a plus mark there. It creates a harmony in different groups. They're positive or negative. That also positive only. It brings transparency in the governance.
Positive.
Okay, that also positive. So it brings socio-political competition among parties.
Positive.
Socio-political competition.
Not
Negative.
That's a negative statement, right or not?
Negative.
Okay, so that is not related with the power sharing basically. So what is the answer? Option A, B, C, D.
1, 3.
Huh?
1, 2, and 3.
Okay, so answer is
Option
1,
A.
2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Please mark that. Option is 1, 2, and 3. So reading that statements and understanding the meaning, it is very important for us. Okay. So question number 32. How does judiciary 32? How does judiciary act as an umpire in federal nation? Okay. How does judiciary act as an umpire in a federal nation? Judiciary rules over central and states. Is that statement correct?
No.
No. Okay. Central and judiciary work collectively.
No.
Okay, not that much accurate. Courts can change the structure of constitution.
Yes.
Courts can
No.
change the structure of constitution.
No,
Only
sir.
legislature. Okay, only legislature can do that, right?
Option D is
Negative. Next one, courts use the power to interpret the constitution.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay, so answer is option. What is that?
D.
Okay, option. Okay, we can go for that. Okay, option D. Courts use the power to interpret the constitution. So this is the only positive point here. Courts use the power to interpret the constitution. So mark that. 32. Answer is D. Okay, so here you will get a confusion, sir. B. Central and judiciary works collectively. Clear or not? They are working together, right? Central government and the judiciary. So government has its own powers there, right? Or I mean the legislature. So legislative powers is not mixed with the power of the judiciary. So the courts can only do one thing here. Okay, courts use the power to interpret the constitution or giving new meaning. So, and it is acting as an umpire. So it's a correct statement from the textbook, exact statement from the textbook. Question number 33. Two statements are given in the question below. Okay. An assertion A and reasoning R. Read the statement and choose the appropriate option. Appropriate option there. Okay. First of all, Sri Lanka adopted Sinhala as the only official language of the state. Is the statement correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
As per 1956. Okay,
Yes,
the statement is correct. Reason R. The government of Sri Lanka wanted to foster their culture, language, and religion. Is that
Yes,
correct?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So that statement also correct only. So these two statements are correct only. So the options are here. So it is a assertion and a reason type question. Okay, want to read both these assertion and the reason properly. So assertion is basically denote with the alphabet A and the reason with the alphabet R. Clear? Clear? Okay, here you can see both A and R are true. Is that correct?
Yes,
Is
sir.
that statement correct? Okay, so it is correct only. Okay, and R is the correct explanation of A. What are you thinking?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So we can mark that correct here also. Next one, we are going to the next options also. Both A and R are true. So we are thinking that it is correct only. But R is not the correct explanation of A. Clear? No, that is not correct. Wrong. A is true, but R is false. We already marked that both statements are correct. So there is no chance for it. A is false and but R is true. There is no chance for that also. Okay. Clear or not? So basically we are going for the answer. Answer A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. To protect the culture, foster the religion, and improve the language of that country, they used that policy. Clear or not? Clear or not? What is that policy? Okay, Sinhala they mentioned. Sorry, they made a rule that and they recognize Sinhala as the only official language of the state of Sri Lanka. Okay, so answer is what is the answer? Answer is A. Answer is A. Clear? Okay, now I am giving a chance for you people. Match the following items given in a column A with those of column B. Okay, I will read it. 34, question number 34. So this kind of questions also are there. Don't think that a match the following question is for 4 mark or something like that. That also for that 0.8 mark only. Clear? 0.8 only. Understand? So you have to choose the correct option from the answer from the options here. So information technology, police, education, defense. Concurrent list, union list, state list, residuary subjects. Come on, fast.
Sir, A will come.
A will come. So as per Prajot Krishna, 1, 4, 2, 3, 3, 1, 4, 2. Any other answers are there?
No, sir.
A
Okay,
itself.
Savio says it is no. The answer is incorrect, it seems. Okay, so we will go for the correct answer. Okay, so we'll start from here. Defense. Okay, it is in the union list, correct? Correct? So best
Yes, sir.
possible answer that what you know. Okay, best thing that what you know. First go for that, or you can go for police. If you have a doubt in information technology, or go for police. Police is from the state. Clear? Clear? So 2, 3 is the correct one. You know that, right? 2, 3 is the correct one. So go for the options here. Anywhere 2, 3 is there. Here 2, 3 is there. Okay. Here any chance? 2, 3? No. Here again 2, 3 is there? No. Again 2, 3 is there? No. Okay. So listen here. Listen here. Here any one is there or one answer if you got, so it is easy to get the answer there. Okay. Let us check it. Education. What is that? Both state and the center. Concurrent list. 3, 1. 3, 1 is here. Right. Next one, defense. That is by the central government, union list. So 4, 2. 4, 2 is here. And the final one, it is what? Information technology, residuary list. 1, 4. 1, 4 is here. Clear. So Prajot Krishna's answer is correct only. So option is 1. Clear. So I want to use simple techniques to understand that. Okay. So you don't want to think about all these things there. Okay. If you know anyone properly, just use that to find out that answer. Clear. But one problem is there in another one option also the same thing is there, means little bit confusion will be there. Okay. So perfectly we should check that. So information technology goes to residuary subject. Okay. Some students are there. They will mark like this. Okay. What is that? Huh? This method, you know this method, or else like this. We'll go to all other points. Okay, let it. So you got that answer here, right? Okay. So answer is the option A. Information technology is residuary subject. Police, it is the state list. Education, it is the concurrent list. And defense, it is the union list. Defense is the union list. Okay. So answer is 1, 4, 2, 3, 3, 1, 4, 2. Next one, 35. 35, fifth question. Anita is appearing in an examination conducted for recruitment to the central government position. In how many languages as mentioned in the 18th schedule can she opt to take the exam? Select the appropriate option. As per the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution, how many languages are there recognized by the government in India?
22.
Okay, so simple. The answer is 22. Okay, clear. She can opt for these many languages. Clear. So what is that? Are these appearing in the examination conducted for the recruitment to the central government? Clear. In how many languages, as mentioned in the 8th schedule, can she opt to take the exam? So almost all the languages that are recognized by the central government. Okay, we are free to choose that. So 22 is the answer. Okay, next one, 36th question. 36th question. Identify the administrative system of Indian government with the help of the following information. Okay, clear? Identify the administrative system of Indian government with the help of the following information. What is the information? Power shared between the central and the state government to local governments. Clear? Okay. Next one. It is called the third tier of the government, local governments. The state governments are required to share some powers and revenue within them. Okay. State governments are requested to share its funds or its income with the local government. So tell me, what type of government is that? Options are here. It is a federal system. It is a unitary federal system. It is a decentralized system. It is a unitary system. Tell me.
Decentralized system.
Okay, so Ashik's answer is decentralized system. Any other answers are there? Any other answers are there? Any other answers? I can see only Ashik Pateri, Rose Sebi, Heinz Steve, Anne Mary, Prajot Krishna, Aditya, John Samuel. Others, please turn on the cameras. Okay. So the answer what Ashik told is correct. Okay, it is decentralized system. So power is decentralized. Okay. So question number 37. Which of the following options prove that India is a quasi-federal state? Quasi-federal state. Okay. More powers with the center. That is correct answer. Okay. Residual subject with the center. Is that correct? Residual subject with the center. Yes, of course. Okay. Equal subject with the center and the state. Is that correct? Equal subject with the center and the state. Is the statement correct?
No.
Differences are there. All right. Okay. Currency and railways with the center.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what is the answer?
1, 2, and 4.
2, and 4. So what is the option here?
B.
B. Option B. Okay. Option B is the correct answer. Mark it. Option B is the correct answer. Okay. Now 38th question. 38th question. Identify the correct statements about the theory of federalism in Indian Constitution. Theory of federalism in Indian Constitution. Okay. Clear? We can see here options. The Constitution declared India as a union state. I mean, union of states. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So mark it as correct. Sharing of power between the union government and the state government is basic to the structure of the Constitution. Yes, correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, of course. So that point also correct. It is easy to make changes to the power of. It is easy to make changes to this power sharing arrangement. Is that easy in India to
No.
make changes in the power sharing arrangement? Very difficult it is. Okay, so that point is wrong. The parliament can on its own change this arrangement. The parliament is able to make changes in this arrangement.
No,
No,
sir.
it is related with the constitution, and the state governments also want to approve that. Then only. So today you already read that the newspapers there. The petroleum products are coming, or central government is trying to take that under the or file that under the GST, but state governments are not ready for it. Clear or not? Okay, so it is not that easy. So first two statements are correct. So what is the answer here?
A.
A. Option A is the answer. That is A, 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Okay, 1 and 2. Next one, question number 39. 39. Two statements are given in the question below as assertion A and the reason R. Read the statement to choose the appropriate option. Appropriate option. Okay, here you can see two statements are there. Assertion, human development mentions how much socioeconomic development has happened in a country. Okay, it is from economics. Already discussed in the class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, so I don't want to discuss that again, right?
Assertion reason is not discussed in the class.
Assertion and reason is not discussed. Okay, fine. So assertion here, human development mentions how much socioeconomic development has happened in a country there. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Here not only economic but socio. Okay, so socio-economic development. So that statement is a correct statement. Okay. Reason. Comparison of national income of two countries explains human development index. Is that statement correct?
No.
No.
Not at all. It is wrong. It is wrong. Okay, so in human development index, we will not compare the income. Clear? Number of other criteria are there. Let it be. So option A, both A and R are true. So there itself it is wrong. Okay. B, both A and R are true. That also wrong only. Don't want to read balance. Okay. C, A is true but R is false. Okay, is that correct?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
They're correct. Yes, mark it. A is false, but you know that it is correct only. So don't want to go to that option also. So answer is option C is the answer. A is true, but R is false. A is true, but R is false. So far we discussed the three assertion and reasoning type questions there. So we want to give adequate importance for that. Want to read and understand. Okay, understand the meaning of the statements. Then only you are able to write it. So question number 40. Question number 40. As match the following only. Okay, so courier is completed this one. Discussed or not?
No, sir.
Not discussed. Courier, fisherman, carpenter, transporter in one side. Other side, it is the tertiary sector, secondary sector, primary sector, and secondary sector. Okay, there is no options mentioned there. Clear? There's an error in the question paper, but you can mark that answer. Right? Okay. So here the answer. Question one more time. Choose the correct option from the following. Okay. Sorry, that like this only. There is no mistakes in the question paper. It's my mistake. Okay. So they asked me to choose the correct option. Clear or not? Okay. Courier is that tertiary sector?
Yes,
Is that
sir.
correct or wrong?
Sir.
Okay. Fisherman is that in the secondary sector?
No.
No.
Prime.
Okay.
Primary
Carpenter, fisherman in the primary sector.
Primary.
Carpenter, the primary sector?
secondary sector.
No.
He is there in the secondary sector. Transporter, secondary sector? No.
Tertiary
He is there in
sector.
the tertiary sector. Okay. So which is the correct option?
A.
Option A. Okay. Courier, tertiary sector. Okay. Courier, tertiary sector. Clear. Okay. So next one. This is the question from your textbook only, chapter number 1. Okay. The same question. Okay. So one more question in your textbook. Okay. So what is that? I will read it. Question number 41. Read the following data and information carefully and select the most appropriate answer from the given options. So some calculations are necessary, right? So what is the question? Rita is an employee of a multinational company who gets transferred to different countries after every 3 years of service. She has been given an opportunity to choose any one out of the 3 countries mentioned in the table above as her next job location. She calculates average income of all these 3 countries as per the given data and chosen to be transferred to country A. Okay, country A. Identify the reason for which Rita has chosen country A. So here you can see, okay, average income, clear or not? Clear or not? Okay. And the income distribution. She observed that, and finally she choose one country. Okay. So what is that? She choose country A. Here you can see country A. The distribution of income is almost equal. Clear or not? There is no much disparities. But country B, what is that? The 4 people, the first 4 people, they are receiving very low income, and the 5th individual's income is too high. So in almost all the countries, the total income is 5,000, sorry, 50,000 only. If you're calculating, you will get 50,000. Okay, 50,000, right? Clear. But the income distribution in country B is not that good there. So 4 people facing problem, and the 5th one is enjoying all these benefits there. Country C also, there is differences are there. Okay, huge differences are there between the individual income. So she used, or she chose the first country A. So what is the answer? A, most of its citizens are rich and stable. B, has most equitable distribution of income. C, national income of the citizen is higher. D, average income of citizens is lower. So what is the answer?
Has more equitable distribution of income.
Okay. Any other answers are there?
National income of its citizen is higher.
National income of its citizen is higher. So national income is not calculated directly with the individual.
Sir, B.
Okay. It is okay. The income of all the individuals together. Okay. So Ashik says B. Any other answers are there? The answer that told by someone, I think it's John Samuel, it is incorrect. Okay. So we can go for option B, as most equitable distribution of income. Clear? Okay. So you can see here, country A, income distribution is almost equal. There is no much differences. So answer is has most equitable distribution of income. Okay. Next one. Question. Vijay is undernourished. As his weight is 45 kilogram and his height is 1.78 meters. Find out the body mass index BMI from the following options. We studied that to calculate BMI, right? Studied or not?
Yes, sir.
Studied or not? So tell me the equation to calculate the BMI.
Height square in meters per
meter.
Okay, height
Square in meters
square.
height square in
divided
meters
by weight.
divided by weight. So 1.78 into 1.78 divided by 45. You get that answer. Huh? You'll get the answer. So calculate and tell me what is the answer. Calculate and tell me what is the answer. Come on fast. Come on, come on. Come on, guys, fast, calculate. Come on.
Sir, 14.7 only.
Okay, wait. Waiting for others' answers. Got that? Got or not? Hello? No answers?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me what is the answer.
14.7.
14.7. Okay. So please calculate that properly. Okay. Clear or not? So you can see that in your textbook. Please take that page number, all of you. Please take that page. Body mass index, you can see that. BMI. There's a box will be there. Textbook is there with you? Economics textbook, please take that. Please take that. And almost end of the chapter, you can see that column, BMI. What is the equation there? What is the equation? Tell me first.
Height meter square by weight.
Weight or weight divided by meter square. Confusion. Please read that. Check it. What is that, Pradyut Krishna? Come on fast. Find it out and tell me. So mark it. Calculation is listed there. Okay, so check that equation properly. Then only you'll get that answer. Okay. So question number 43. A woman worker. So a woman worker at a sweet shop in her village on a contract basis and gets mere salary. Okay. Okay, mere salary. After working the entire day, she don't get any holidays or paid leaves. Rather, her employer deducts her salary whenever she is absent from work. Find out in which of the following sectors she works.
Unorganized.
Okay, unorganized sector. Sorry. Option D, unorganized sector. Unorganized.
Yes, sir.
Going for next question. According to 2017-18 data, sorry. According to 2017-18 data, the share of different sectors of employment, that is percentage. Okay. Primary sector 44%, secondary sector 25%, tertiary sector 31%. Okay, clear? And out of these three sectors, why did the ratio of employment in the primary sector high? Select the most suitable option from the following. Okay, option 1, workers in the primary sector are underemployed. low job opportunities in the secondary sector, efforts of labor are not equivalent in all sectors, outsourcing of job opportunities in the secondary sector. So tell me the answer. So
Low
primary
job
sector, it is 44% people are working. Okay. According to 2017 and 18 data, wait one minute. Okay. According to 2017 and 18 data, the share of different sectors in employment, okay, that's in percentage. Primary sector, nearly 44% of people are working. Secondary sector, nearly 25% of people are working. In tertiary sector, 31% of people are working. Out of these three sectors, why did the ratio of employment in primary sector high? Select the most suitable option for the following. Okay. Option A, workers in the primary sector are underemployed. You know the situation of underemployment. Low job opportunities in the secondary sector. Efforts of labor are not equivalent in all the sectors. Outsourcing of job opportunities in the secondary sector. Okay. So most probably the two options are almost correct. Okay, here low job opportunities in the secondary sector also correct only. But the most correct answer in this case, we can say workers in the primary sector are underemployed only, right? Underemployed. Clear or not? Numerous workers are there, but they are doing their job not as per their potential and ability. Clear? Clear? Number of workers are there, but basically their work is not needed. Clear? For example, to cultivate 1 acre of land, total family members are engaging in that activity. If it is 5 family members are there, means so total 5 members will participate in the activity. Okay, but actually the 5 members activity is not needed there. Okay, that's what the number is high. So as per your textbook, the first option is the answer. Workers in the primary sector are underemployed. There's a case study is there in the textbook. Okay, clear. So please read that. Next one, 45. Two statements are given in the question below as assertion A and the reasoning are. Read the statement and choose the appropriate option. Option A, crude oil reserves in the entire world are depleting. We need to find a sustainable substitute for it. Is that correct, the statement?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Oil and petrol prices are increasing day by day. Is that correct?
Sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
1 minute. 45. Okay, 45. Two assertion and reason is here. First of all, assertion: crude oil reserves in the entire world is depleting, it is reducing. We need to find a sustainable substitute for it. Okay, so statement is correct. And reason R is that oil and petrol prices are increasing day by day. That statement is also correct only. Okay, clear. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Are you thinking? The R is the correct explanation there? There's no relationship with these two statements, right? No, it's not the correct explanation. Okay, fine. So both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. What are you thinking?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We can go for that one. And C, A is true, but R is false. No, both are correct only. A is false, but R is true. Both are correct only. So the answer is B. So easy only. Okay, reason and assertion and reasoning questions are too easy to understand the answer. Okay, I mean, find out the answer. Some sense is necessary. Clear or not? Okay, that only. We'll read it again and again. You can easily find out the answer. Okay, so we will complete 46 also. Section C we will discuss next class tomorrow. 46. A man is employed on a food processing farm where he has to do a lot of manual work. His wife and daughter also help him in his work on the farm every day. Which type of employment is this? An example: underemployment, seasonal employment, overemployment, cyclical employment. Tell me.
Underemployment.
46. Okay. 46. Okay. Any other answers are there? Any other answers are there? Okay. So answer is underemployment only. Okay, because his wife and his daughter, everyone is helping him. Actually, their work is not necessary. Okay, their activity is not necessary. So section C, it is what we can say, source-based question. So we want to read the paragraph and find out the answers there. There are also reasoning and assertion type of questions also are there. Clear or not? Okay, so important to read and understand these questions there. So tomorrow we will discuss that. Map-based question also we will discuss in the next class. So please turn on your cameras, all of you. I want to take the attendance. Okay, done. Okay, guys, it's time to wind up this session. I hope these sessions is fruitful for you people. Yeah, Savio. What happened, Savio?
Nothing,
Savio
sir.
is doing some pujas or ceremonies or something like that. The voice is like that, Mr. Savio. Okay, it is like from a horror movie. Okay, The Conjuring 45. Okay, by Savio. Okay, so guys, everyone, thank you for your cooperation, and we will do the next class. Okay, Savio, thank you very much.
Thank
So
you, sir.
tomorrow, geography class is there, right? And history also. Please, geography first chapter, types of resources and classification of resources. That one we are going to discuss tomorrow. So please read and come. And history, okay, no problem. You have to read the Dream of Frederick Sudeyu, the first part that we discussed, right? Next one, okay, nationalism in France, nationalism in France, or nationalist movement in France. Please read and come. We will meet tomorrow. Thank you, everyone.
Okay, sir.